Good morning, children. Today again we are going to study the same poem, an elementary school classroom in a slum. So where I left you in the previous video, today we are going to start from the same point. So let us start the explanation of the remaining lines or stanzas. In the next line, the poet says or tells us about the disparate and the life full of disappointment of the poor slum children who are studying in elementary school classroom. The poet says that from fog means from morning till night, their life is full of disappointment. Their life is full of problems and different other kind of things. From morning till night they suffer. And when they sit in class, they appear to be malnourished. Malnourished means that they are not getting healthy food, and because of that, their health is very, very poor. Even their skin is so thin that through their skin, their bones, the outline of their bones is visible. And when they sit in their class to listen to the teacher, they seem that they are not students. They are just pile of heap of untidy material which are thrown on the streets. In the next stanza, the poet says that the windows which are there in the classroom of the slum or of the school located in the slum, that window does not enable the children studying in the classroom to see the outside world, because when they see the outside world through the window in the classroom, what they find only the slum. They are not able to see the real world, the beautiful world which is created by the nature from the window of their classroom. So the writer tells, the poet tells, that the inspectors or the people who visit the school, they should take the lead, and they should do something for the students who are studying in the schools which are located in slum areas. These children should also be given freedom like other children who are studying in good schools, to go to the fields, beautiful places, to visit the nature, to visit the Tyrolese Valley. These children should be given a chance, should be given a freedom to run on sand. These children studying in the schools of slum, these children should be given the opportunity to read books, to enhance their knowledge, because the writer believes that the people, those who have the warmth of the sun, means that the people, those who are educated, those who have information, they only can do something good to this world. They only can bring development in this world. So, like other children, these children studying in the slum schools should also be given a chance. These children should be given the chance to come out of the confines of the classroom of the slum, so that they can also do something good for themselves and for this world.